Hello everybody. This is a story called Snore by Michael Rosen and Jonathan Langley. A noisy night for a dozy dog. Snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep. Cat was also asleep. Cow was asleep. I wonder who else is asleep. Oh, sheep was asleep. Pig was asleep. And so were all the piglets. Goodness me, quite lots of piglets. Everybody's fast asleep. It was all so peaceful until Snore. Cat woke up. Cow woke up. Sheep woke up. Pig woke up, and all the piglets too. Goodness me. Oh dear, it was so loud, nobody could sleep. Not cat, or cow, or sheep, or pig, or all the little piglets. How can we get Dog to stop snoring so we can all go back to sleep, said Cat. I know, said the cow. And Cow went up to Dog and went, tissue, right down his ear. I know, said Sheep. And Sheep went up to Dog and went, boo, right down his ear. Oh my goodness. I know, said Pig. And Pig went up to Dog and went, down his ear. And all the piglets went, oh my goodness. I know, said Cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that will stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So Cat went, and Dog went, moo. And Sheep went, bah. And the pigs went, oink, oink, oink. And the piglets went, oink, 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 oink. Then, as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a and Dog woke up with a and off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But Cat and Cow and Sheep and Pig and all the little piglets were so tired they fell fast asleep. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story all about the farm animals.